Welcome to this step-by-step guide. Today, you'll learn exactly how to set up port forwarding on your Xfinity Xfi gateway. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app on your phone. Sign in with your Xfinity ID and password. Step 2. Go to Network Settings. After signing in, tap the Connect or Wi-Fi tab at the bottom of the screen, then select your network. Step 3. View your equipment. Tap View Wi-Fi equipment to see your connected gateway device. Step 4. Open Advanced Settings. Tap Advanced Settings to enter the gateway's Advanced Configuration menu. Step 5. Navigate to Port Forwarding. From the menu, select Port Forwarding. Note, if you've previously set up rules through the admin tool at http 10.0.0.1, they will already appear here. Step 6. Add a new rule. Tap Add Port Forward to create a new rule. Step 7. Select your device. From the drop-down list, choose the device you want to forward ports to. Note, if your device doesn't appear, it may not be connected to your home network. Make sure it's using an IPv4 address. Step 8. Choose app or manual setup. You have two options. Choose a preset application like Xbox or PlayStation for automatic configuration. Or select manual setup to enter a custom service name, protocol, TCP, UDP, and port range, start, end, port. Step 9. Apply your settings. Tap Apply Changes to save and activate the rule. Your device is now configured and ready to use port forwarding. Bonus tip: if something isn't working, try restarting your gateway. You can also access the admin interface directly through your browser at 192.168.1.1 or 10.0.0.1 for more advanced options. And that's it. You've successfully set up port forwarding on Xfinity. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.